Hello guys, welcome to Savage Genius TV. I'm going to show you a very easy way that you can actually use to change password using command prompt. It's a very simple way and I know it's going to work for you. You can change a computer's password using our command prompt. So it's very easy. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. So all the first thing you want to do is actually to hit your window key, and when that is done, just type in command prompt, of course, just search for it. It's a command prompt. Now here it is. Right click on your command prompt and run as administrator. Okay, there are two different things. There's a way you can actually open a command prompt and just open. It's not gonna hit you with administrator, but want to change the password of this system, and so you have to run it as administrator. So when that is done, telling you this, do you want to allow the following programs to make changes to your computer? You have to click yes. Okay. Now, the command prompt environment is here. I like working in the more suitable, sorry. I like working in the more suitable, I enjoy working in this type of environment. Okay. If you want to know how to do this, you can actually just watch a video of mine, how to change color in command prompt. It's going to help you a lot. Okay, I want to change the password of this system and I want to use command prompt to do it. How am I going to do it? First thing you want to do is actually to type in what I call net user. Hit your enter key. When your enter key is hit, now look at this. We have administrator, we have guests, we have another user who is also here using this same system. So I want to change the password. I can change the password of this guy or the guest as well. I can change the password of the administrator. So how am I going to change the password of the administrator? It's very easy. So just type in this net user, you give a space in capital letters. Now you type administrator. That means I want to change the password of this account. If I'm going to change the password, or if the guest account is actually having a password, I can decide to change it by putting it. It's going to be net user in capital letters. It's going to be guest. The same thing applies to this user. It's going to be net user in small letters, and this user is going to be capital letters. So, okay, so I'll give a space, and I'm going to put this star sign, and then you hit the enter key. Now it's telling you type a password for the user. Can you see that? So what I'm going to do is actually I can just decide to type a password. Let me just put something like maybe this. Sorry. Now, whatever I type is going to show here. It's not going to show, it's not going to show. So don't even think, now I'm backspacing right now, but you can see that the cursor is not moving. So I can just type in a password here. Make sure I'm very careful. You're always careful when you're writing a password from this place, because you can decide to go and write it in capital letters and you might not know. And you might be struggling when you're trying to enter the password. So just type a password like something like, let me put a password actually. I'm through with my password. Okay, but you can see it's not showing. Yes, it's not going to show. So you strike your enter key. It says retype the password to confirm. So I have to retype what I typed here that is invisible to confirm. So I'm going to type it now. I'm going to click my enter. You see this? The command completed successfully. Okay, so now that means that if I log out of this thing and decide to reboot my system, it's going to ask me for the password. I'm not going to use this password, the previous password here. I'm going to use the new password that I typed here. That is what is going to open the system for this particular user. So it's a very quick way. You want to use it, maybe a friend of you want to prank a friend, you could just actually use it, open its command prompt and change its password and just just play with him a little. So it's a very good way if you want to change your password. Don't forget, the first thing you want to do is actually to type in net user, and when that is done, it's going to bring this out for you. So you select the account you want to change the password. In my case, I'm actually doing this, so it's going to be net user in capital letters, and don't forget your star. So you select the user, you write it in capital letters, and then you put your star. It's very, very important. Then you type a password for the user. Remember, it's going to be invisible, so make sure you are very careful with whatever you're writing. And then you also retype the password to confirm. Then you hit the enter key, and you are done. It's a very short video. It's going to work for any system. I show you that it's going to work for you. If you have any issues and you think it's not going to work for you, you can drop a comment, or after watching the video, you can as well, just let me know. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Catch you.